Welcome to the Morgan Branding Podcast. Welcome to episode 6. In episode 6, we're going to be talking about LinkedIn. So, as I said in the last episode, these aren't in any specific order of our, favoured techniques. It's just simply stuff that we're doing for ourselves or we're doing for clients and we are seeing working at the minute. So, LinkedIn is a really interesting platform. When I was an employee or a student, it wasn't somewhere that I used greatly. You see it as a place where recruiters were hanging out. But since I've become a business owner, I've realised some of the value of the other business owners that are floating around and the key decision makers that are floating around on LinkedIn. Not only that, but the options for targeting people within LinkedIn are really advanced. If you are paying for LinkedIn, you can find some specific people in specific companies, get linked to them, and then come up with a strategy, which in any other general telemarketing or email marketing campaigns, often one of the biggest issues is getting to the key decision maker. Now, if you can get linked to this person and start making a relationship before you sell to them, I believe there's much more chance that that person may take you on. You may see that key decision maker likes playing golf or likes a certain football team or has an interest or a hobby that you could latch onto and maybe invite them to an occasion or get them to an event that you're at, and then kind of wine and dine them and get to know them and then sell your service to. But you're going to find out more once you're connected. Me personally on LinkedIn, I really don't go for the hard sell kind of at all, or certainly not early on. I will personally try and link to the right people or the people we want to do business with, and then try and wine and dine them through LinkedIn. So this might be occasionally sending them a message, occasionally sending them a blog that I think might be of interest, whether that's written by us or by somebody else. This will be commenting on their posts. This will be maybe tagging them in a post that might be of interest to them. So really go into town. This is a long-term strategy. This is not a link with them, send them a message and ask them to buy your product straight away. This is a wine and dine, a long-term method, and I think LinkedIn can be extremely powerful if that's the way that you decide to go, especially if you are a type of company that know your target audience within any business, because you can search for job titles. And when you start searching for job titles of people within a business, you can link to the 100 key people in the country that you want to be linked with, or the 1,000 people that do the job role that are the people that sign up your company's services. So super powerful platform, and I think you should be involved in LinkedIn if you're not already. Thank you for listening to episode 6. Thank you for listening to the Morgan Branding Podcast. If you'd like to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, our handles are at Morgan_branding. Or you can follow myself, Callum Morgan, on the same platforms. Cheers.